Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jen and this is Jen's Happy Home. Please go ahead and subscribe down below so I can update you every time I have a new and fun video to share. And I am really excited. If you guys watched my last unboxing that I did in December, you know that it was my last one because I received it as a gift for my birthday and my 6 months was up. But it is Christmas morning and guess what? I got another box and this time I am signed up for a whole year, so I'm so excited to share with you guys once again my Mickey monthly unboxing, and now I get to do it 12 more times, so that is like really exciting. So I want to go ahead and dig right into this box. I couldn't wait to film this video. Like, I'm actually doing it 10 a.m. on Christmas morning and I just really have to see what is in here, so let's get right to it. Again, I thought last month was my last one and I was really sad about it, so I am super excited that my husband got it for me for Christmas this year, and I'm excited to be able to open it up live on Christmas morning. Alright, this is like a big-ish box, which is great. That means there's a lot of stuff in here. Alright, let's see what is inside. Oh, this is awesome. A 2018 calendar just in time for the new year. I love this, and you can see on the back here's some of the pictures that are on it, and this is a 16-month calendar, so I guess it already started, so I missed November and I can use it for, we're at December 25th right now, so I can at least appreciate it for the rest of the month of December. But this is great, definitely something that I can use. What else do we have? Oh, so I went to the Food and Wine Festival this past year and I really didn't get anything from it, so this is great. It is a oven mitt and it says 2017 Epcot International Food and Wine Festival, and this is like Figment's hand from, you know, the Figment ride. I love Figment, he's so cute, and I don't have any Figment items, so this is really fun. I'm happy to have this. Again, I love it when they send me things that I can actually appreciate and use and keep around the house, so having this calendar, definitely perfect for me, something I need, and an oven mitt is also something I totally could use, so that's really great. And finally, oh, there's a couple more things in here. All right, so an Epcot pen. This is cute. I love having these fun pens. They sent me a pen once before and I use it all the time. So this is really cute, and it just says Epcot, and you can see in the Mickey ears it has like all of the countries, like their flags, so that's really cute. And finally, Collector's Pack Park Series. So there's 3 collectible mini characters in here. And usually I have my daughter Madison come and open up these because she loves these little blind bags. So maybe I'll go ahead and get her and let her open up this pack and see what characters are inside. So this is Madison, and it's Christmas morning, and I called her. Are you having a great Christmas?
Yeah.
Yeah? What was your favorite present that you got for Christmas? Was it
an Alexa and the Pet Vet Clinic.
the Pet Vet Clinic? Nice, okay.
And the Alexa.
And the Alexa. She got the little Alexa Dot, right? It's called the Echo Dot. All right, so she's having a great Christmas, and she's gonna go ahead and open, these are called blind bags, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so go ahead and open it up at the top, and let's see what's inside.
Blind bags, there's an evil Mickey.
There's an evil Mickey?
Look.
Ooh, there is an evil Mickey. He looks scary. Never saw an evil Mickey before.
I hope we get the evil Mickey.
You hope we get him?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Oh, it's a Mickey. It's a Mickey.
It's the evil Mickey!
How'd you know?
I knew it!
It is an evil Mickey. She knew it.
I knew it.
And she could just tell it was going to be the evil Mickey.
Because I feel like when you notice something, like, then you get it.
Then you get it? Okay. Ooh,
Here's the evil
he's scary.
Yeah,
You're going to bring it up close so that they can say? Evil Mickey.
Wahaha.
Okay, let's see what else is in there.
Okay, let's see. Ooh!
That guy is named Pete, I think, right?
Yeah, Pete.
Okay. There he is. There's Pete. All right, and then we have one more in there because there's 3 in there, I think, right?
Yeah. I'm going to open this one.
Okay, let's
see who we got. We got, ooh, what's his name?
Oh, I know this guy.
What's his name?
Is he from Hercules?
I forget his name.
I have to research his name. I don't remember who this guy is. If you know who this guy is, comment down below and let us know. That is everything that was in my Mickey monthly. You have a question of the day? You have? So if you guys have been watching me lately, Madison always has a question of the day. So she has a question of the day. All right, go ahead.
Okay, so the question for the day is, what is your favorite Disney character or villain?
Or villain? Ooh, that's a good question. You always have great questions. All right, that's the question of the day. So please let me know in the comments down below what your favorite Disney character or villain is. And if you know who that Hercules guy is, I'm pretty sure it's from Hercules. Let us know his name too. I hope that you guys all had a great Christmas. We're having a great Christmas morning so far. Again, I'm super excited that I have the Mickey Monthly unboxing once again. Please go ahead and subscribe down below. Don't forget to follow me at Jen's Happy Home on Instagram, and have a great holiday season. Take care, guys. Bye.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.